that platform I'm showing you, you can make your first $10 online. If you're ready to work, you can even make this in the space of probably like 3 days. Yes, you can make $5 in one day. Now look at this. If you just complete a simple task, you get 1.3 dollar. That's $1.30. And there are a lot of gigs that can give you $1. You see some gigs that will give you like 50 cents. If you join the cents together, it's up to $1. So all you need to do is just do like 10 tasks, and the next thing, boom, you have made very good amount of money. And these stuff are things you can easily do. Yeah, there are things you can easily do. Now, this is the name of the platform. The name of the platform is called Pico Workers. Just check the link in my description. I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually use this platform. Yeah, so you have to check the link in my description. When you open it, it's going to take you to Pico Workers. It's important to use that link so that you will not go to a scam site and before you go and make any mistake and lose your personal information. This particular website is very legit. Now, this website is based abroad. It's based in the United States. They pay you to do small gigs online. It's an online marketplace that connects freelancers to businesses, and you can get paid to do small gigs online, ways to get multiple works done. So we have a lot of companies, a lot of individuals coming there to give jobs to people that want to make money, and many Africans are actually taking advantage of this platform, because for Africans it is a way of making money in dollars, and once you make your money in dollars, boom, you can actually when you convert it to naira, make way more money. So when you come to this place, you click on sign up. Right after checking the link in my description or in my comments, I'm going to pin it there. You're going to write your name. Let's say your name is John. That's your email address. You put your email address here. Your password, you put your password. You confirm your password. You put your nickname. You select your country. Then very important, click I am a worker, not I am an employer. I'm a worker. Then agree to the terms and conditions. You agree for both, then you create your account, right? So after creating your account, you're going to get a message in your email for verification. But I already have an account, so all I need to do is to just sign in with my own account. Once you sign in, you're going to see small gigs you can do. Now, people are making good amount of money from this platform, right? So all you need to do is to just scroll down. You see micro jobs. When you see these micro jobs, right, you just scroll down. You're going to see the most recent jobs. You can sort it by maybe the one that is the highest paying. You sort it by highest paying, and you see the jobs that can pay you as much as good amount of money to perform tasks. So this particular task now, engage with an Instagram content. This person is promoting to 3,000 people. Only 1,744 have done it. All you need to do is to just decide to do the task. For example, somebody like me now, I'll go for tasks that are 2 cents and above, because if I do 2 cents, just 5 simple tasks, then I can easily make $1, and I'll go for tasks that are $1, right? So look at this. Say working app, download and sign up, quick job. All I need to do is to click on the message, right? I just scroll, look at it. 280 people have done this task. The time date is 7 days. Mobile app, just download and sign up. All I need to do is to just go. They say you go to this link. I copy the link. I go to the website. I download the app. I install it. I take the screenshot. I put the proof here. This is similar to Naira Workers. In fact, it is similar to the Naira Worker own I created the other time that I told you I can make 2,000 Naira online. I'll put the link in the description if you have not seen that particular video. That one is for Nigeria, but this one is for foreign workers all over the world, United States and also in this platform you can easily make money. This is not affiliate marketing. This is you basically completing a task and getting money. Look at this one. Just 25 people needs to do this. Comment on an article and you're going to get $1.30 straight up. Now watch. You just go to where the article is, you leave your comment and you get paid. So the excluded country, the countries that they excluded is Bangladesh and Morocco. So it means as a Nigerian I can actually do the job. So I'll just come to this place, copy the link, open it, right? I'll open it, then I'll just go there. They said click and open the link, complete the offer required to open the article. The offer is very easy to complete. Sign up, input the correct information in the form or download the app, then comment on the article. Good article, congrats, screenshot your comment and come and put it here as proof. So while you are doing this, I will advise you that you need to be very careful and not to give out your sensitive information. In fact, one thing I try to advise people to do is when it comes to doing this kind of tasks, you should have a special email address for this purpose. I'm not saying the website is a scam. Pico Workers is definitely not a scam, but it's just on the safer side. This is another way you can make money online. If you like this video, you want me to create more content, just comment more videos. I'll continue to look for other places that you can make money online. The funny thing is that I have some places I'm already looking at. I just want to make sure that those places are verified and they actually work before I show you guys those places. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, leave a comment. It helps my algorithm. Like my video. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content.